In every lab, the integrity of scientific research can hinge on something as fundamental as the cleanliness of glassware. Yet, this critical task is often overshadowed by its seeming simplicity. Olga Vasiliev, Director of National Laboratory Operations at Pipette.com, highlights a crucial point. While washing glassware might seem straightforward, failing to align it with a lab's specific processes and safety requirements can severely disrupt both its integrity and productivity. Clean, uncontaminated glassware is essential for dependable research outcomes. Any deviation from this standard can jeopardize the credibility of a lab's results. Moreover, cleaning glassware in compliance with standards like ISO or GMP is not optional. It's essential for maintaining accreditation and ensuring safety. But the risks of using improperly cleaned glassware doesn't stop there. It can lead to dangerous chemical interactions, posing significant safety threats. How should labs clean glassware? Effective glassware cleaning encompasses 5 key steps. First, check glassware for any cracks or damage, then perform thorough rinsing to remove contaminants. Next, washing the glassware using the lab's approved methods and detergents. Sterilize glassware when necessary, and allow glassware to air dry. Air drying avoids introducing new contaminants. This is a basic approach to cleaning glassware that must be edited according to a lab's requirements. Moreover, the approach to cleaning is largely determined by the chemical nature of the contaminants. Strategies differ for water-soluble substances versus organic compounds, and proper handling ensures not only cleanliness, but also safety in the lab's daily operations. To check if glassware is clean, use the uniform wetting test. The steps to perform this test are outlined in the full article on our website. Ensuring the cleanliness of lab glassware is not just a routine task, it's a cornerstone of scientific integrity and safety. For more insight into the significance of glassware cleaning, visit our website to read the complete article. And remember, add this podcast to your playlist for more helpful tips in your scientific journey.